Hi, I'm Aditya Thakur.
Hi, I'm Harsh Gupta.
Hi, I'm Vishnupriya Arora.
I'm Sarvesh Magan.
Hi there, I'm Harsh Kaushik.
I am Lakshya Chaudhary.
I am Siddharth Arya.
And we are Team SRM1. We started out in the month of February with an idea to consolidate all the notes present digitally across classrooms in one place.
The material was available. We had PDFs, books, question papers, and thought why not have it all made available through website or an app.
And that is why we've built SRM1. Now instead of reaching out to your peers or your seniors for study material every time you have a test or assignment, you can directly look it up on our website or app for any particular subject. And instead of having to download all the files, you can directly view it online.
The app is live on Play Store and the website can be accessed at srm1.in. Both are in development right now and we are working to add more features to it, revamping the accessibility and expanding our database.
The best thing, both of them are free to use and open source, so you can keep up with the changes on GitHub, open issues, and also contribute code.
We have so many updates on our mind, from introducing profiles on our platform to onboarding professors for direct guidance, discussions, and much more.
We will appreciate any feedback that you might have, and if there is any particular thing that we should take up first. So try out SRM1 and let us know.